You know, all this bliss, ecstasy, they've all become tablets these days. If you want to settle for limited things, you can try sexuality, alcohol, drug. It will only enslave you, it doesn't liberate you. So, chemically induced experiences have been named or after this, because that's the nearest thing to blissfulness that people have known. This is just pleasure. People seek pleasure essentially because joy is missing, because bliss is missing. Pleasure is just a shadow of blissfulness. It is never the real thing. I'm not against it. But if you do not realize the limitation of pleasure, you will get entangled in it. But the more and more